Here's how to open a salary account in ICICI Bank Online. So first head over to ICICIBank.com, and from here you just want to go to the account section and then click salary account. From here you can actually open it. So you can see they have the salary account, then Power Pay salary account, a regular salary account, defense salary account, and you can see their interest rates. Now here you can kind of see what each of them is. So the regular one is probably the one that most people want. So you get a debit card with unlimited free access. Now the Power Pay salary account gets you some additional stuff. Now the Power Pay salary account gets you some additional bonuses, and family is for family. Now, for example, if I want the regular account, then here I can just click no more, and then it will take you right here. So from here you can then again see exactly what it does and stuff like that. And then if you actually want to open one of these accounts, so now you have figured out which one you need. Now to open it, what you want to go and do is here go accounts. Now to actually open one of these salary accounts, what you want to go and do is here click personal banking. You can also find this specific page by going accounts and then here click apply now. Now you will be opening a savings account, but after opening your free savings account, you can then actually open up the salary account as well. But here you just need to enter your full name, your PIN number, PIN code, your mobile number, and a one-time password that will be sent to your mobile number. So just enter these details, then click apply now, and then you will also be able to open up that salary account. So now you know how to open a salary account in ICICI Bank Online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.